Hello grade 9 learners. Okay, so I'm here to show you how to do long division step by step. Never mind me, I've already written one there, but you catch up. Okay, so the first thing we're supposed to do, actually, the 5, that is the number after the division sign. It's called the divisor. The number that is after the division sign is the one you're supposed to write first, and it goes outside of the box, on the outside there. And then the other number goes inside the box, and you must be careful to put enough spaces between the digits so that you don't make a mistake. Okay, so I'm going to do this quickly. Follow the steps one by one. 5 goes in 1. That's the first question. No, but 5 cannot go in 1 because 1 is smaller. So I'm going to say 1, 1, which is 11. 5 goes in 11. 5 goes in 11. 5 goes in 11. It will be 2 times. I write the 2 here on top of the second 1. Why? Because, the first 1 wasn't working, but when I put the second 1 and it became 11, then it was working. So that's why I put the 2 on top there. Okay, that's the first step of the process. The next step happens immediately. You've written the 2 there, you must say 2 times 5, always multiplying by the number on the outside. So 2 multiplied by 5 gives me 10. Remember our column addition and subtraction, like that, tens and units. Then we do a subtraction. That's the next thing. We do a subtraction. So it goes into multiplication, subtraction, like that. Okay, so 11 minus 10 gives me 1. See, it's like tens and units, remember? So the 1 must be on that side. Okay, the answer I get here is 1, which is less than this 5. That's perfect. That's the way it should be. Then I bring down the next number, if there are more numbers, and that is the 5. Can you see I've written it directly under the first 5? So I'm going to start the whole process again. How many times will 5 go in? 15. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 can go 3 times in 15. I'm going to write the 3 there on top of 5 because I got that 3 only after I brought the 5 down. So I write it there, and immediately I must say 3 multiplied by 5. 3 times 5, if you have to use a calculator, it's okay. But you must write that 15 again, column, and then we do a subtraction, and we get a 0. Because there is no remainder, I can say, therefore, 115 divided by 5 is equal to, can you see my answer? 23. This one. And that's how to do it. Thank you.